Hello children, today we are going to read Moral Science, which is of class 2 and the chapter is 3. The name of the chapter is Being Independent. Okay, so let's begin the chapter. Let's read about being independent. Do we all know what does independent means? Independent means when we are knowing what we are doing and we are free from the control of others. Okay, जब हम अपना काम खुद से करते हैं तो हम उसे क्या बोलते हैं? इंडिपेंडेंट. ओके, इसका एक एग्जाम्पल है when someone is living on their own and supports themselves. जब हम अपना काम खुद से करने की कोशिश करते और दूसरों पर निर्भर नहीं होते, then it is said to be as being independent. Are you all independent? Okay, like in some of the cases कुछ चीज़ें हम खुद कर सकते हैं, है कि नहीं? बट कुछ चीज़ों के लिए हमें हमारे पेरेंट्स की हेल्प की ज़रूरत होती है. लेट्स सी, लाइक बीइंग इंडिपेंडेंट फ्रॉम द वर्ल्ड, वी आर ट्राइंग टू ग्रो अप. हम लोग बड़े हो रहे धीरे धीरे और हम लोग हर अपना राह खुद चुन रहे हैं. Okay, like that. Let's begin with the chapter. So here we are going to read about Rajan. Who is Rajan? Rajan is a boy and he is now in class 2. Like you all. जैसे तुम लोग class 2 में हो और तुम्हें कैसे independent होना है, that we will read in this chapter. His teacher has taught him to become independent. Okay, now do you know what does independent means? Being independent means doing things by yourself. जब हम अपना काम खुद से करें, then only we are said to be as independent. Like see how Rajan is doing his own work. First he is brushing his teeth on his own, he is bathing, then he is wearing his clothes, he is combing his hair, he is polishing his shoes. So these are the ways in which you can be independent now. Okay, these things you can do it on your own. You can help your mother, you can help your parents, you can help your teachers in school by one or the other way. Okay, see, they are tying the shoelaces, he is wearing the clothes. Let's come to the next page. Here also what Rajan is doing, he is tying his shoelace, he is keeping the book in his bags. Like you all also put your routine, no? I hope you all put the routine on your own. From today you try to do it, okay? Next, eating also, you need to eat your food by your own. You need not take the help of your parents. Next, he is filling his water bottle on his own. He is not taking the help of his parents. Now, who is she? She is Rajan's mother. She is Rajan's mother and she is glad to see that her son has grown up. See, every parents, तुम्हारी भी मम्मी बहुत खुश होंगी अगर तुम अपना काम अपने से करोगे. Okay, now he can do so many things on his own. As because वो अपना काम खुद से कर रहा है, तो राजन की मम्मी को अपना काम करने के लिए बहुत वक्त मिलता है. शी गेट्स अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम फॉर हर ओन वर्क एंड शी इज़ प्राउडली सेइंग टू एवरीवन, माय सन इज़ इंडिपेंडेंट, ही डज मैनी थिंग्स बाय हिमसेल्फ एंड आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माय सन. यस, अगर आप लोग भी अपना काम खुद से करोगे तो आपके भी पेरेंट्स हर जगह आपका बड़ाई करेंगे. Like your teachers also praise you when you do your work on your own. If you do the homework on your own and just present it to the teacher or your parents, everyone becomes happy. Yes. Does your mother says this word to anyone about you? How many of you do your work on your own? If you do so, you will help your parents at home and teachers at school. See, there are so many works to be done, okay, but if you do it on your own, you will learn so many things, and if you do it, everyone will start loving you. Your parents will love you, your teachers will love you, your neighbors, your friends, your families, everybody is gonna love you if you do your work on your own. So what is the thought of the day in this chapter? The thought of the day is Being independent is the first steps toward growth. Like if you are growing, so if you are being independent, then only it shows that you are going towards the growth part. Okay, let's come to think and answer. First bit, tick the things you can do on your own. Okay, first picture, what does it shows? It shows the picture of a girl who is filling a glass. So can you fill the glass on your own? Definitely yes. So put a tick here, children. Next picture, what the boy is doing? He is packing his bag. He is putting his routine. He is putting the book inside his bag. So can you do it? Yes, we can do it. In the third picture, what is the boy doing? He is eating on his own. So this part also we can do it on our own. In the fourth picture, this girl, what is she doing? Have a look, children. She's combing her hair. Can you comb it? Yes, you can also comb it. Yes. The next is the boy is, what is he doing? He is polishing the shoes. So can you polish the shoes? Yes, you can polish it. And in the last one, what is this girl doing? She is brushing her teeth, and you can also brush your teeth. Being independent does not only means doing your own work, but doing work for the society as well. If you clean your surrounding, if you keep it clean, then also you are being independent. Okay, let's come to the next page. So here what you are going to do, you are going to write these things in your copy as well as in book. Okay, children? Bit C, make a list of the thing you can do to help your mother. How you can help your mother? You can arrange by arranging clothes, making up the bed. How can you help your father? Giving glass of water, keeping his things properly. Your brother, help him in his studies, help him to arrange his things properly. How can you help your sister? Help her in the school project and help her to arrange bookshelf. Here, children, you are going to write school project, okay? How you can help your grandfather? By keeping his dinner plate in the kitchen and giving him medicine in time. Okay, children? How can you take care of your grandmother? You can take care of your grandmother by taking care of her need and helping her to water the plants. Okay, these all things you can do to help your family members. Now let's come to complete this part. So the first question asked is things I can do on my own. What can you do? Morning itself you get up and you brush your teeth. So that's what you can do it. Second part, you can do the bathing. Things that others do for me. What others do for you? Wash clothes. Your mother wash your clothes. Cook food. Okay? It is done by someone else. So here we will do this part also is to be written in the copy. Are you getting it? This page and this page you have to write it in the copy. Here first you are going to write the key value of the lesson being independent. What is the key value here? Self-reliance. Okay. Next is complete the sentences. Being independent is the first step towards growth. And you are going to underline first step towards growth. Being independent means doing things by yourself. Here we will underline independent. Self-reliance word means if we do our work on our own and if we take the decision, okay, for our own, then it is said to be as self-reliance, dependent on oneself. Okay. Third question, name 6 persons whom you help at home. Whom you are helping? You are helping your mother, you are helping your father, brother, sister, grandfather, grandmother. Name 5 things you can do on your own. Brushing teeth, combing hair, bathing, eating food, filling the bottle. Okay?